nice.
Yeah.
Features a working compass and sundial in the stock.
What do you think?
It's New Gun Monday.
Look at that. Man.
All yours. We'll have to get you some pop cans to set up on the deck. Are you happy?
Oh, yeah. Surely it doesn't have anything in it.
No.
Is that safety?
We'll get you some BBs today and you can go out on, bundle up and go out on the deck. But don't shoot your eye out.
Let's have a safety on it.
I bet your safety is right here.
Be careful.
Yep, here's your safety. Do you pour the BBs down the barrel or do you load them on the side?
Used to be formed down the back.
What's this little doohickey?
This decoration.
So you can tell if the wind's blowing hard?
See, I didn't think you could know that because that's so common. Where do you put BBs in?
We'll have to get you some safety glasses.
There's no directions or anything.
Yeah, they're right here. You gave them to me.